I've never actually been to the Bahamas, but I'll probably be taking a trip soon because it just became a great destination for SpaceX fans. On Tuesday, February 18th, SpaceX made history yet again. This mission was the first time Falcon 9 landed on a drone ship off the coast of the Bahamas. Already popular for tourism, but this means that if you're a SpaceX fan, you might actually want to go to the Bahamas to see a landing off the coast.
Today we're live with a special edition Starlink broadcast. This is SpaceX's first ever mission with a drone ship landing off the coast of the Bahamas.
In fact, SpaceX had to make an agreement with the government of the Bahamas to be so close. The normal drone ship landings are up to 500 miles offshore, but you can see the beautiful view in this video.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And there you heard that call out for successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket, and you can hear the cheering behind me. Welcome to the Bahamas, Falcon 9.
But if you were to go in person, you might have a view like this, and yeah, you would hear a sonic boom. So I talked about this a few months ago, but now it's finally happening, and this new landing location allows Falcon 9 to maximize its performance by launching into an optimal southeast trajectory from the launch sites in Florida to carry additional satellites to orbit, and also allows SpaceX to launch human spaceflight missions such as to polar orbits. Landing off the coast of the Bahamas will also provide greater winter weather recovery options, helping Falcon continue to provide rapid and reliable service for SpaceX's customers. And let's hear a word from the Deputy Prime Minister of the Bahamas.
One of the primary benefits of opening up additional landing options is that it allows us to maximize Falcon 9's performance.
Now, SpaceX worked with the Bahamian government to establish the new landing profile for this mission. And they took into account Falcon 9's unprecedented launch cadence, safety, and reliability, and were all crucial elements in helping to establish this new landing zone for Falcon. Now, the Bahamas and SpaceX are also working together to enhance local STEM-related education to help inspire the next generation of students.
SpaceX's Vice President of Launch, Kiko Donchev, met with the Deputy Prime Minister of the Bahamas and Minister of Tourism, Investments, and Aviation and delegates during a recent visit to SpaceX in Florida to talk about all of this in depth. Here's a small part of that conversation.
This is significant for the Bahamas in so many ways. The first international landing in the Bahamas, in the Exuma Sound, is significant in and of itself. It puts us at the cutting edge of innovation, and it gives us a small country of 400,000 people to an opportunity to participate in the aerospace industry. This is huge.
You know, it's really the beginning of the future. This is something we've been working on for several years now. We're hopeful that this collaboration enables us to fly the first polar crew mission that will have a booster landing in the Bahamian waters too.
We've long been known for tourism. Bahamas is now going beyond sun, sand, and sea. We hope that millions of people will observe from the Bahamas this event over the coming years. It's an opportunity for collaboration with academia and the University of Bahamas. It's an opportunity really to advance careers for young Bahamians and future Bahamians.
The spaceport of Florida has really evolved since the Apollo era. We had shuttle, and then now Falcon 9 is the most reliable orbital class rocket ever built. This is not a test flight. This is an operational vehicle for America and many other countries. The world depends on Falcon, so safety and reliability are our highest priorities.
We have retained Aisha Bowe, a Bahamian in the aerospace industry. She is working in partnership with us to ensure that we pull all of the pieces together. We recognize that it's important that safety is put first and foremost, and we have ensured that we've done the due diligence and we've done our work to deliver this first international landing in the Exuma Sound.
Now, this landing happened about 8 minutes after liftoff, and Falcon 9's first stage landed on the Just Read the Instructions drone ship stationed in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of the Bahamas. And much like the return of the Super Heavy booster at the Starship launch site, this also produced a sonic boom. So if you do go to the Bahamas to see a landing like this, you'll be able to experience the sonic boom. And let me tell you, after experiencing my first ever sonic boom during the Starship booster catch during the last launch, it is quite jarring. Not only is this a great excuse to just go to the Bahamas, because why wouldn't you want to go? It looks absolutely beautiful. But this is also the first time that a rocket has taken off from one country, gone to space, and landed in another country. So SpaceX is just truly breaking barriers and raising the bar with everything that they do. It really amazes me how SpaceX started as this company that people made fun of and didn't think that a private company would be able to get a rocket into orbit, and look at where they are today. So let me know in the comments if this will persuade you to take a trip to the Bahamas, and let me know if you would like me to actually fly there and make a vlog and show you what that experience would be like. I think that it could be really fun, and I'm happy to do it if it's something that you would like to see. So thanks for watching this video. Congratulations to SpaceX for once again making history, and the future is looking bright with SpaceX.